This is The Abduction of Europa by Rembrandt Harmens, a Dutch painter in the 1600s. In this painting, Jupiter, the king of the gods in Roman mythology, has seduced Europa, who is the queen of Tyre, and is now carrying her away into the ocean in the form of a bull. Now here you see her royal retinue, who are very distressed by this. They're incredibly trying to get her back from the bull, who is Jupiter, and Europa seems like she's having second thoughts and wants to go back to her retinue as well. Now this painting provides a great contrast between the ocean right here and the still land right here, along with the sky. They seem so vibrant and moving while the land is very still. And here you see Europa's chariot, all decked in gold, along with these trees, which are very realistic. They're very well done. Now back here you can see a shipyard, which is a very big contrast compared to all this royal glamour, these fancy dresses, and the gold chariot, this fancy chariot driver right here. As you can see, this painting is very, very, very serious. It's sad, but it's pretty. It's very pretty. It makes you feel fairly happy as you watch it, just because even though it's a sad scene, you can appreciate the art that's in this painting. So this painting is one of my favorites for those reasons. This is The Old Military Man, also by Rembrandt. Now, this painting is a fantasy painting. Military people did not dress like this in the 1600s, especially Dutch military people. However, Rembrandt loved dressing up his portraits in fanciful costumes to make life appear more fancy than it is. Now, this painting was also known as a trolley, and it was sold in the Dutch marketplaces in the 1600s. Now, as you can see, this old man is very grizzled. He looks very experienced, like he knows what he's doing. He's staring off into the distance with his multicolored eyes. There's a green one and there's a blue one. Huh. Anyway, so the background is very, very drab and boring. It's gray. It's supposed to add more attention to the portrait, as you can see here. Now this guy, he happens to be wearing a metal collar along with a green cloak with an undercoat, as you can see right there. And his hat has a giant feather in it, also showing his importance within the military. This guy looks like he could be a captain or any sort of authority figure. Rembrandt was very famous for making many portraits like this.